Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Styletone box. Okay, so I got the booklet right here, and this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's start off with this fella, and this is from Dr. Botanicals. This is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, and I believe that we received the exact same thing already once in a different box. I could be wrong, but it looks a lot like this one, and honestly mine isn't really full. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but look at that. Come on, stop focusing on my face. See what I mean? See that? Mine is like full up till the label and not like further. So I don't know if something dropped in here. No, everything is dry. So I don't know what's going on with that, but mine isn't full and the other one was full. Anyway, let's see in the booklet what it says. Is this, I wanted to say, is this a full size? But Styletone is always a full size. It's right here. And it says, whoa, it says that this facial oil costs 33 euros. That's a hell of a lot of money for one facial oil, especially one that isn't even full. So I'm gonna expect a lot from this. Honestly, in the booklet, it's more full, if you will, than mine is. Can you see that in the booklet? And then you have like mine right over there. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to expect, but I do have high expectations. It's so annoying. They're mowing the lawn once again down there, and you probably can hear it. It's really annoying. Moving on to something else. This is B-Tan. It's Love, a daily moisturizer that makes me glow. Gradual tan, an everyday body moisturizer that gives a hint of color. So basically a fake tan, you know, progressing slowly. This is what that little fella looks like, and let's see in the booklet. I honestly don't really use fake tan too much. Sometimes when I feel like extremely pale, because I really do get extremely pale and yellow, I do use it, but not too often. And it's over here, and it costs 8.99 euros. Moving on to Creative Cosmetics Mineral Blush. Spica? I'm not really sure. And I dropped it. I'm an idiot. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this particular word underneath. See, like S-P-I-C-A. But let's just see what it is on the inside. It reminds me of, look at this. Hopefully you guys are able to see that on the box, like that print. It reminds me of that lipstick that we received once from, was it Mimi Cosmetics? I think it was. It reminds me, whoa, okay. It reminds me of that. This is a loose blush, so wow, okay. Really excited to see what that will do, since it is like a loose, hold on, let me just get, oh my goodness, okay, let me just get one of these little suckers out and try it. Are you guys able to see that on like my middle finger? I swear I'm not flipping you off. Okay, thank goodness. It's not like too pigmented. I was afraid it was gonna be like too pigmented, because it's, you know, in here it is quite pigmented. Can you see the color? Like really, it really is quite pigmented. So I was afraid that it was gonna be too pigmented, and then you're just gonna end up with like orange cheeks. Nobody wants that, but honestly, I don't think you can even see it from there. It is so light. It is actually a very beautiful color, so I'm definitely going to enjoy this. And it's like something else, you know, it's like a loose powder blush. Can't even speak. Let's move on to, is this from Creative Cosmetics? Hey, yeah, it's from Creative Cosmetics. Okay, it costs 21.95 euros. It's actually a hell of a lot of money for one blush. And you could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. And I got Spica or Spica, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. You could get Cruise, like, wow, these are really weird names. You could get Dora, you could get Sham, and you could get Norma. And I pretty much got the darkest one. Like Sham is like a really bright color, so I'm glad I didn't got that one. But I would have loved like the Dora one. That one is just beautiful. Like I'll show you guys in the middle. That color in the middle I would have loved getting, and I actually ended up getting this one right here where my finger is. So these were the colors that we could get. Okay, we got 2 more items in here, and then the box is empty. Now I'm gonna take off the paper. Yeah, okay, it's really empty this time. I filmed the Look Fantastic unboxing yesterday, and when I put everything away, I noticed that there was another liquid matte lipstick in there, and I didn't film it because I didn't know. Okay, so we got a lipstick in here from, I think this is from Ardency Inn. Oh wait, this is the lipstick that they mentioned, that they mentioned last month, if I'm not mistaken. So let's watch. Wow. Wow, okay. Hey, this is magnetic. Oh, did you guys see that? Hold on, let me try and, can you guys see that? Look at that, it like clasps. That's really cool. Okay, so this is what that looks like, and honestly, when I look in the viewfinder, it looks a lot brighter than it really is. It's more of like a darker rose tone color, like a pink. It's beautiful. Let me look it up in the booklet. It's probably number 1, because I think this was the item that we were supposed to get last month, but then remember we got like a little card that said oops because something went wrong. Yeah, so this is that one, and it costs, wow, it costs 25 euros. That's way more than even a MAC lipstick. I'm not really sure if it's worth it. I'm just gonna be honest. I got the color Circa Rose, and you could get either Lucky Forward or Circa Rose. So I got Circa Rose. I would have loved the other 2 colors, especially Lucky. That was like a really bright pink. It is beautiful, but I got the last one. But still, I really do enjoy this color. I know I'm gonna wear it. So moving on to the very last item in here, which is this, and this is a Hydro Face Mask, 120 hours of hydration. I'm not really sure I believe that. The mask contains the patent AMF, Artificial Moisturizing Factor, which enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture. AMF has been clinically proven to keep the skin hydrated for up to 120 hours. Okay, sounds really good, and when I feel, it's not your regular sheet mask. Like this is, I think this is one of those jelly masks or something, because it feels just different for some reason. Let me just check the booklet and see what they say. Yeah, see, I knew it, it's a jelly mask. Okay, look at that. Look at these hands of this particular person. See, that's definitely a jelly mask. Really excited to give it a try. As y'all know, I love masks, so that's always great. And this one costs 9 euros. Okay guys, that was it. We received, this is trash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here, and honestly, out of all of these items, I'm going to use them all. So it's honestly been a really good, solid box. I really enjoyed it. I am excited to see what this blush does. Very excited to try out the mask. I'm gonna check whether or not I have this fella, but still, oils are always good. Love the color of this, and definitely the whole like thing. Love it. Something new, something amazing. And this, well, basically this is always useful, especially like in springtime when I'm still white and the sun isn't out yet to tan. So yeah, I love this box. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think? I like to thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. First link in the bio. We're only 15 subscribers away from me to give away that package and start a different giveaway, so make sure to check it out. First link in the bio, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!